BYSI as well. This is beyond spring. At this point in time, we're looking for price to break and reclaim that spot, which is our 20 exponential moving average. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Now, if you take a look at the market really did push through on Friday. And what are we expecting? We're expecting the momentum to continue, right? But, we can really take a look at what the SPY is doing right here, okay? Now that we got this in, you see what is going on right now. The market is really pushing through this downtrend. We're breaking through the downtrend, breaking through barriers, breaking through the 50 exponential moving average, breaking through the 200 moving average. This is where the institution tends to come into the market to start buying in anticipation for the push to the upside. So keep an eye out. If the market continues, then we can get through into 450 in the coming weeks to come. But overall, this area is the area to watch to see if momentum can still continue to the upside. My previous video, I talked about it, and I won't talk more about SPY or IWM. Okay, you can check that out as well. This is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock in whatsoever. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now that we got that out of the way, so let's get into our first stock. Our first stock, looking at the plain view, is MVOS. Now, the trend is really a beautiful thing on MVOS. See how we've been holding this channel just up and up and up. And we're about 80% on RSI, right? Look at how volume came in on Friday. So, we're extended, but this can still really push. Looking at the 2-year view, look at how price been really pushing into $3, right? Yeah, so if we can really push through, just push through this $3 spot, I think the next spot we'll be looking at is $4 or even more. Look at the last time we ran, right? The last time we really ran was, in March, and we got close to about what, $15. So keep an eye out on MVOS. SMFL as well is another one to keep an eye out. A lot of reason is because right now $1. Right now we're trying to hold this $1 area, which is a very beautiful support. Okay, so right now we're trying to hold that place. If we can hold that $1, I think we should be able to continue to push. Tops as well is another one to keep an eye out on. Right now 125 is my expectation in the coming days on that name. EIGR as well. Right now we've really pushed and creating a nice gap right here. So at this point in time, if price even push lower, we're going to be looking at a support around the 675 650 area, which correspond with our 200 moving average. So keep an eye out on that. EFOI as well. This one right now, 175 is what I'm expecting in the coming days. EZFL, we're looking at 115. 115 really holds, then I think 130 will come in easily, which is our 50 exponential moving average. We're looking at MULN as well. This one right now, at this point in time, I think, I'm targeting $5 or even $7.75. So keep an eye on MULM, which is Net Element International. GFAI as well, God Force right now we're really holding the 50 exponential moving average, which is our $1 area as well. Looking at that trend for now, 150 is in the books. We need to, you know, write that and record that in the books as well. Groom, GROM as well. As look at how the volume is coming. Even exponential moving average, guys, is at 55% with our MACD coiling back up. So look for around this break again on GROM. TROHC, at this point, we're making what I call a double bottom bounce right now. That is what we're doing. Look at the volume. The volume is huge. So at this point, I think we're going to be looking for price to visit that $8 zone again. PIK, key the peak. This one right now, we created a huge amount of volume right here, okay, with volume coming in, and we created that gap. As a result, we are extended, okay, at 73%. Still, you know, the extension phase right now. My D is extended, but at this point, if price failed 550, look for $4.50 to come, okay, on that name. So next is gonna be our HOUR, okay. At this point, $6, okay. $6 rejected back to 536 close. So 70% ROSI. Volume is coming in, so I'll be expecting a breakthrough through $6 in the coming week. So you know, have to keep an eye out on that as well. RODBX, okay. This is a red box entertainment, and right now this is what I call the boom boom candle. Boom boom candle with a huge amount of volume. 350, 360 area breaks. I think we should be looking at $5 as well. AHI, we're looking at $2 on that stock. CVM, this one is another one, cell science cup. This one right now, we're making that boom boom candle with volume coming in. At this point in time, I think $586 is my expectation, okay. Keep an eye as the market continue to progress. I think that will progress as well. TISI, this is team. At this point, I'm looking for 150. 150 breaks. I think 175 will come in anticipation of the gap fill. So keep an eye out on TISI in the coming days. AUID as well. I'm looking for a bottom bounce play on this name. $3 will hold, and then $4 will come in easily. EJH is another one I really like because this is one of my favorite pattern, as we have a W shape, and most times it breaks out of that W shape. That is what we have right now in this name, and I'll be looking for $1 break to come. AGRI as well. It has a beautiful looking flag here. So right now, $3.75 break. I think we should be looking for more to the upside on that name. THX, this one right now, what I'm looking at is the $9 zone. $9 is going to be our 20 exponential moving average area. If we break that, I think we can continue into 10, which would act as a natural resistance. IXHL, we're looking at a support around 12. If that area holds, we're going to be looking for price back into the $15 spot. So keep an eye out on this name. It's a healthcare company, so keep an eye out on that as well. SPCB, I think this is beginning to gain momentum, gain volume. Look at how volume has been coming in the name. So keep an eye out, see if momentum can really come in to push this to the upside as well. I like the stock, and I think, you know, this can really still push right into 90 cents in the coming days. BCAP as well, BCAB. Right now I'm looking for what I call the boom 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 candle and a bottom bounce play. Right now at this point, look at how we broke this trend right here, right? So now we're just working the 20 exponential moving average with volume, huge amount of volume on our side, and RSI is at the 37%. And guess what? You know, I don't mind if there's really push right into the 200 moving average, which is that $27 spot. So keep an eye out on that as well. DIBS $9 break. I think we can get through into $10, which will act as our natural resistance. STRN, at this point we need to hold this 20 exponential moving average, okay, with a support or stop loss around the $1.50. If that area 175 170 holds, then we're going to be looking for push through $2 in the coming days. ACB as well, this one is cannabis stock. 350 is this area. If this area really holds, then I'll be looking for $4 visit, okay. $4 holds and breakout, then you know we should be looking for price back into the 550 as we expect news in the cannabis sector. PULM as well. PULM right now $7 is my expectation. If that area really comes and hold, then we're gonna be looking for price to really push back into the gap fill area, which is this $10 spot. So keep an eye out on this area in the coming days. I think this, once momentum comes in, it will continue to push. RSI is decent, it's at the 49% level. SNDL as well, this is sundial growers right now. Price is reclaiming the 20 and 50 area, so keep an eye out and see if price continue to push. At this point in time, you can see inverse head and shoulder in the game. This is the right side, this is the left, and this is the head. So keep an eye out as well, which also coincide with another action of our left side, our right side. If we can break, I think we can continue to push on that name. CYN as well, we're looking at price above the 160. 160 breaks, I think 230 will come in easily, which also coincide with our 250 spot. So 230, 250, keep an eye out on that area. I think I will be picking some up in the coming days as well in anticipation of the move to the upside. CYRN as well. Right now we have this left side looking shoulder, left side, and this is the right side, so this is the head. So inverse head and shoulder, $4 breaks and push. I think we should be able to get to $9 or $10 in the coming days. KTTA as well, this one is another beauty. Right now we've just been trending. I took some around the $1 spot. We've just been trending and trending higher. Right now our resistance spot is gonna be this 140 area. If this 140 breaks and then call right into 150, then we're gonna be looking for $2 or even to get to this spot, which is $2.50. So keep an eye out on KTTA. The last time we ran really into the 850 spot. NRBO as well. Looking at this trend on NRBO, see, every time we got to this spot we rejected that spot, so I'll be expecting the same thing. But if more volume comes in, we're going to be looking for a push to the upside on NRBO. BCL as well, BCEL right now at this point in time, 350 is our level to watch. 350 breaks, I think we're going to be looking for more to the upside. And how what if we got this same boom candle? Okay, see how this boom candle got rejected around the 200 moving average. So right now we pull back only to support around our 20 and 50. So at this point in time, 350 is my expectation. If that breaks, then we're gonna be looking for more to the upside in that game. Also at this point in time, we have KAVL right now, $2 is my best bet. That's where I'm looking for price to reclaim. If we reclaim $2, I think we can push into 3 in the coming days. Indo as well, IMDO right now, $35 breaks. I think we should get $45 or $50 right now. So keep an eye out with your support or stop loss around, below that 24.50 area in the coming days on that name. CROTX, guys, we're coiling back up. What is the coiling right now? We're coiling back up. If we can break 650, then $8 will come in easily on that as well. Genius as well, GNUS as well, 50 exponential moving average is my watch right now, which correspond with our downtrend, our 50 exponential moving average. So look for $1. If $1 comes in, reclaim, I think we can continue to push on this name. TTNP as well, TTNP, this is the area to watch. See if we can reclaim $1 again. KPTI right now, I think we're calling back up into the trend, which is our downtrend right now, coincide with our 200 moving average. If this area 750 reclaims, then we'll be looking to retest our 50 exponential moving average. BTB as well, right now we are coiling back out, made a double bottom, so we're looking for that double bottom bounce play to the upside. CHCI is another one with no volume, but right now, this can really push if it has volume, but no volume, guys. AREC right now, $2.14. My best bet is to pick some around this area in anticipation of the move to the upside, but with a stop loss around $2. This is not a recommendation, guys, but keep an eye on that level. OT ROK, this one has been coming right from our $14-15 zone and just pushing lower. Right now we're trying to break the 20 again, which is the 20 exponential moving average. You see how we've been trying, right? Been trying and trying. See if we can break this time, then we could see 50 exponential moving average visit. AVR as well, we're looking for $2.50 on this one. PSHG, this one right now, I'm looking for this to really climb back to the upside. That's what I'm looking for right now. If this area holds, which is a very nice looking inverse head and shoulder, if this area holds, then price can really push into 350 or even more on the name, as we expect shipping company to start looking good in the coming days. LGHL as well, right now this is a very good solid push to the upside with our view on the 160, so keep an eye out on the 160. Another name, TBLT, that I'm anticipating a reverse stock split. Right now we have our W looking shape, so if we can break through this area, I think we can continue to creep up to the upside, so keep an eye out on TBLT. ARIC as well, I talked about it earlier, so keep an eye out on that one as well. KR, this one right now, this is what I call the boom candle, right, coming from the 0.5 level into $1.50, over 50 cents gain. Right now I'm looking for price into 155 in the coming days if we can get that. BYSI as well, this is beyond spring. At this point in time, we're looking for price to break and reclaim that spot, which is our 20 exponential moving average, which correspond with our downtrend break. We're looking for $3.25 in the coming days, so keep an eye out on that as well. CLSD as well, we're looking for more, $3 or even $4 to come. AQST, we're looking for $3, guys. We're looking for $3 on that name. Also PANL as well, we're looking for trend to continue to hold. ENSV, right now we're looking for this area to hold. $2.75 is our support. If that area holds, we can break through 350 or even 450 in the coming days as well. IMPP, this one right now, $2.37 is your area. If we can break 275, I think we should be all right. Husa HUSA, look for price to hold this area. Okay, if price can hold this area with stop loss around 5, we should be able to push through in the coming days, as you know, oil begin to resettle and try to push back up on the pullback. Right now, SNM 125 is going to be the support. 120, 125 is the support in anticipation of a breakthrough 160. Guys, the remaining chart, I'm going to post them up on my Twitter and stock tweet account. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your time. I love you guys. Peace and love. Bye bye.